Alright friends, now from this video topic, we'll start the process of layout creation of this headless store. So first I will discuss that how to set up header or the navigation menu items. Let's go back to browser. So as we know that to create this headless store, we want multiple layouts like navigation layout, footer layout, home layout, product layout, so much more layout already we know in terms of component from last video topic. Now, also we know that to create all these layouts, also we want some piece of HTML code for all these component files. So here, to save the time, what I did, let's go back to a GitHub repository called github.com/owthub. Then click on repositories. Now here we have a repository called headless-store-html files. Let's open it. And now we can see that this repository is containing multiple HTML files. And let me tell you that these are the HTML files what basically we have to use to create our React store with the component files. So here inside this video topic, I'll discuss to set up all about the header or the navigation. So inside these files list, if I search, so here we can see navbar.html. And here all these code right now, these all code are using Bootstrap 5 version classes. So what I will do, either copy all this HTML code from this file. Let's go back to a VS Code. Then I will open SRC folder, layouts folder, and then I will open Navbar component. And here, what I will do, simply let's remove this h1 tag first from here and paste all this HTML code right here inside this component file. Now, next after this, what I will do, I will go and remove this HTML comment lines first. Let's remove from here, from here, from here, from here. And if I search, now we can see that successfully all those comment lines now we have removed from this HTML. And one more thing, as I told you inside basics class of React that to pass the classes names, class is not the keyword. So instead, we have to use class name. So what I will do, simply I will copy this class equals to double quotes and I will replace this class keyword with this class name. So let's click on this button to replace all these occurrences and successfully now we can see that now class is converted into class name. And one more thing that as we know that this HTML is using Bootstrap 5th version classes. So what I will do, I'll open first this app component and here before calling any of the component file, any of the layout, let's first import the Bootstrap package. So Bootstrap dist folder, then CSS folder, and here we have bootstrap.mean.css. Remember, this package already we had installed while installation of our setup. So save these changes. And if I go back to browser and now we can see that the navigation automatically gets updated called My Store, Home Products, and all the items what basically we have inside Snapbar component. And additionally, inside our GitHub repository, we have a file called style.css, and that file is containing some additional CSS to do some layout adjustments. So what we can do, let's go back to browser, GitHub repository, and inside these files list, I can see a file called style.css. So just open it, just copy all the code of this file, copy it. Let's go back to editor, and then I will create a file inside this public folder, which is at root. Let's call this file as style.css. Paste all the code. Now, what we want to link this CSS code with this HTML. So right now that file is not linked. So this is our current design. So then I will go here. Let's go inside this app component. Let's link that file. So as we know that this style.css is at the root inside public folder. So import two dots, then public folder, and then after here we have style.css. Save these changes, and now you can see that design has changed, but here we have some transparent background. So for that, let's go inside snapper component, then I will remove this bg-light. Save these changes, and now we can see that here the updated header is much looking better than previous one. And one more change I want inside this header. Let's go to editor. Let's cut all this content of this navigation. And here, then I will use a div. Let's pass container class. and here paste all those code, save these changes, and now you can see that this time this header is much attractive in comparison of previous ones. So here, my store, home, products cart, my account, my orders, logout, and login sign up. Now, let me tell you that what is the purpose of these items. So, home products cart and my account, like home products cart, they are the open menus which will be visible without login or with login. But without login, like my account, my orders and logout, these will not be visible because conditionally after login, these menu items will be visible. And this is open because after login, this is not going to visible, but before login, this is going to visible. So conditionally, we have to hide, show and hide all these menu items of this header design. So in this video, now we have created our first navigation, like the first setup of layout, that is of navigation menu items. In the next video, we'll discuss about much more layouts of this headless store. So for this interesting video, interesting concept, please hit the like button to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Now let's meet to our next amazing video. So for this video session, guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.